I almost signed the papers on a $30,000 SUV that looked flawless. Shiny paint, glowing reviews, even a certified warranty. But buried deep in the fine print was a ticking time bomb. A known history of transmission failures that could have drained my wallet by thousands. And it's not just me. The car market today is packed with vehicles that look perfect, but quietly drain your bank account through endless repair bills. That's why I spent weeks digging into hard data from over 100,000 real-world vehicles. Not paid reviews or manufacturer hype, but actual owner experiences to uncover the cars that truly stand the test of time. Today, I'm revealing 14 of the most reliable cars you can buy right now. These vehicles will save you thousands in unexpected repairs, hold their value, and give you peace of mind for years to come. Stick around because the last two models on this list, they're considered some of the most bulletproof vehicles ever built. Let's start with the Subaru Forester, a vehicle that delivers exactly what it promises, year after year. While other brands chase trends with risky tech and flashy gimmicks, Subaru keeps things simple and reliable. Their naturally aspirated engine avoids the costly problems turbocharged competitors often face, and their symmetrical all-wheel drive system has been refined over decades. It's not a marketing afterthought, it's proven technology. Forester owners consistently report outstanding reliability, with minimal drivetrain or electrical issues. Insurance premiums stay reasonable thanks to excellent safety ratings, and resale values are among the best in the segment. If you want an SUV that handles tough winters, family trips, and daily commutes without draining your wallet or causing buyer's remorse, the Forester is the smart, regret-free choice. Next is the Honda Accord. I'll be honest, when Honda first transitioned the Accord to a turbocharged engine, I had my doubts. Turbo engines often mean more heat, more wear, and costly repairs down the line. But after reviewing thousands of owner reports, it's clear Honda got it right. Today's Accord blends classic Honda reliability with refined modern performance, delivering satisfaction levels that rival so-called luxury brands, but without the luxury headaches. You get dependable, enjoyable driving without sky-high maintenance costs or rapid depreciation. The Accord holds its value, keeps repairs affordable, and offers a premium feel without locking you into expensive warranties or finance traps. If you're considering a mid-size sedan that balances refinement, reliability, and peace of mind, the Accord is the clear winner. Say what you want about its looks, but the Toyota Prius is an endurance legend. I've personally seen Priuses still running strong after 200,000 miles, often on their original hybrid batteries, something almost unheard of in the hybrid world. Toyota didn't chase flashy headlines with their hybrid technology. They perfected it through slow, methodical improvements. The result is one of the most reliable and cost-efficient drivetrains you can buy. Beyond fuel savings, Prius owners enjoy lower insurance premiums, minimal maintenance expenses, and exceptional resale value. It's not flashy, but if you're looking for a vehicle that saves you money year after year in repairs, insurance, and fuel, the Prius belongs on your list. If you've ever dreamed of owning a luxury car but feared getting trapped by endless repair bills, the Lexus ES is the car for you. Too many drivers buy beautiful European sedans only to face electrical issues, transmission failures, and skyrocketing maintenance costs once the warranty expires. The Lexus ES avoids all of that. Built on the rock-solid Toyota Camry platform, it offers one of the most proven drivetrains on the market, wrapped in premium materials and luxury comfort. Lexus takes a conservative approach to tech, focusing on durability over untested gadgets. Owners routinely drive these vehicles well past 250,000 miles with nothing but basic maintenance. Insurance premiums stay surprisingly affordable, and the ES holds its value far better than most luxury sedans. If you want a luxury car that delivers true peace of mind for years to come, the Lexus ES is a decision you won't regret. Moving on to the Mazda CX-5, a stylish, fun-to-drive SUV that avoids the money pit reputation of many turbocharged rivals. Mazda chose proven, naturally aspirated engines and a durable transmission for the CX-5, refined over years of development. While other brands rush out complex systems that often fail, Mazda quietly focused on long-term dependability. CX-5 owners love the responsive handling, minimal repair costs, and strong resale value. With excellent safety scores and affordable insurance, this SUV gives you style, performance, and reliability, all without the financial regrets. The Toyota Camry is a legend for good reason. Ask any mechanic, and they'll tell you it's one of the most dependable vehicles you can buy. Toyota's engineering philosophy is all about incremental improvements, not risky redesigns. Each Camry generation builds on proven foundations, avoiding the drivetrain failures that plague many competitors. These cars routinely cross 250,000 miles with nothing more than basic maintenance. Insurance premiums remain affordable, resale values stay strong, and expensive extended warranties often aren't needed. The Camry is a car you'll never second guess, a purchase that delivers peace of mind long after the new car smell fades. Here's a midsize SUV that might surprise you, the Hyundai Santa Fe. Over the past decade, Hyundai has taken massive strides in reliability, and the Santa Fe is proof of that progress. Owners consistently report excellent durability in engines, transmissions, and electronics. Hyundai's decision to refine its naturally aspirated and hybrid powertrains has paid off, delivering long-term dependability. With excellent safety ratings and affordable insurance, the Santa Fe is one of the smartest buys in the segment. Resale values are climbing, and real-world ownership satisfaction is higher than ever. Speaking of dependable SUVs, the Honda CR-V remains a top contender. Yes, early turbo models had oil dilution issues, but Honda didn't hide from the problem. They fixed it. Today's CR-V is one of the most reliable compact SUVs you can buy, with countless examples crossing 200,000 miles with minimal repairs. Owners love the strong safety ratings, low insurance premiums, and excellent resale value. The CR-V is the kind of vehicle you finance, drive for years, and never lose sleep over, even after the warranty ends. Few vehicles have earned a reputation for old-school durability like the Toyota 4Runner. If you want a vehicle that will outlast trends and possibly outlast your next two smartphones, the 4Runner is it. Built with minimal tech gimmicks, predictable maintenance, and legendary Toyota reliability, this SUV thrives on simplicity. Insurance costs are manageable, resale values are exceptional, and it's one of the most dependable SUVs for family trips, towing, or daily driving. The 4Runner is the definition of worry-free ownership. For buyers seeking a smaller SUV with real-world capability and durability, the Subaru Crosstrek stands out. In a market flooded with fragile, tech-heavy crossovers, the Crosstrek keeps things simple. Subaru's symmetrical all-wheel drive system, refined over decades, delivers dependable performance in all conditions. Naturally aspirated engines mean fewer costly repairs, and owners routinely report 150,000 to 200,000 miles with basic maintenance. With solid safety scores, affordable insurance, and strong resale value, the Crosstrek is a smart, regret-free choice. The Lexus RX is a rare gem among luxury SUVs. European competitors often become costly maintenance nightmares after 60,000 miles, but not the RX. Built on Toyota's proven engineering, the RX routinely surpasses 200,000 miles with minimal issues. Insurance costs remain reasonable, and resale values are among the best in the luxury segment. If you want premium comfort, capability, and a long-term ownership experience free of regret, the RX is the clear choice. Another luxury SUV worth your attention is the Acura RDX. For buyers wanting upscale refinement with Honda-level reliability, the RDX delivers in spades. Avoiding overly complex systems that plague European rivals, Acura's 2.0-liter turbo engine has matured into a dependable workhorse, and the transmission is rock solid. Insurance costs are lower than German brands, maintenance is simpler, and resale values hold strong. The RDX lets you enjoy premium driving without the luxury repair bills. If there's one vehicle that perfectly embodies peace of mind, it's the Toyota RAV4. You don't become America's best-selling SUV by accident, and you certainly don't stay there by cutting corners. Every generation of RAV4 builds on a proven foundation, with smart refinements and a focus on long-term dependability. Owners report minimal drivetrain issues, low insurance costs, excellent resale values, and satisfaction levels that are among the highest in the industry. Whether it's family hauling, road trips, bad weather, or daily driving, the RAV4 handles it all without draining your wallet. Finally, the legendary Honda Civic. Compact, affordable, and incredibly durable, the Civic is known for exceeding 250,000 miles with ease. Honda's formula is simple: proven engines, rock-solid transmissions, and minimal complexity. Even today's latest models stick to that reliable philosophy. With excellent safety ratings, low insurance premiums, cheap maintenance, and strong resale value, the Civic avoids the costly repair traps that plague flashier competitors. If you want a small car that keeps your wallet intact for years to come, the Civic delivers exactly that. But here's the hard truth. Even the most reliable car can become a financial regret if you fall into dealership traps or overpriced insurance. Before you buy, avoid common mistakes like overpaying for gappy insurance, financing through the dealership without comparing rates, or letting your insurer quietly raise premiums over time. Many buyers unknowingly overpay thousands through inflated loans, unnecessary extras, or bundled insurance they don't need. The smart move? Pre-arrange your financing through your bank or credit union, decline most dealer add-ons, shop your insurance every 2 years, and focus on total loan cost, not just the monthly payment. That's how you keep your wallet and your peace of mind intact. If you found this list helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more real-world car advice, and comment below, what's the most reliable car you've ever owned? I'd love to hear your stories. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.